Hi everyone and welcome back to Computer Bytes. My name is Aoyemi Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a discount or coupon code on a Shopify e-commerce platform. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's get started. Now, in order for you to create a coupon code or discount code on Shopify platform, the first thing you have to do is to have an account on Shopify. So if you don't have an account on Shopify, you need to head over to shopify.com and create an account. Now once you log in, your dashboard will look something like this. Now the next thing you have to do is to click on discount. So you see discount here, then you can click on create discount. Now there are 4 types of discount or coupon code which you can create on Shopify. The first is amount of product, the second is amount of order, the third is buy X get Y, and the last is the free shipping. Now all these coupon codes or discount codes, they work differently from each other. Now for this free shipping means that you are going to offer free shipping for your customers. Buy X and get Y means that if someone buy one product, they are going to, or maybe they buy 2 products, depending on the rules that you set. If they buy 1 product, they will get maybe 1 more product. If they buy 2 products, you are going to add additional 1 product for free for them, depending on the rules you set. Then amount of orders means that if a customer should wants to buy a product that costs a total of probably, let's say for instance $100, then we want to offer them a discount code of probably, let's say for instance 5% or 10%. But any other customer that wants to buy a product that costs below $100, you are not going to offer them a coupon code. Then that is for the amount of order. Then the amount of product means that you want to offer coupon code based on each of the products that the customers want to purchase. So depending on the kind of coupon code that you plan to offer for your customers, and decide to select any of these. So let's check each of these coupon type or discount type, and let's see how it works. Now for the first one, which is the amount of product, so you are going to click on it. Then this is where you are going to set the rules for your coupon or discount code. So for your discount code, you can let Shopify generate the code for you, so which is here. You can click on generate. They will generate some random code for you, or you can type it or write it out yourself. So I can say something like Vic, or let's say Chris 20%. So that is my coupon code. Then here under this value, this is where you are going to set either you want to offer them coupon code based on percentage or fixed amount. So if it is percentage, that means you can set it as probably something like 20%, 10%, 5%. But if it's a fixed amount, that means you want to offer them a particular amount as their discount as their discount code. So for instance, you can decide to offer your customers probably maybe $20 discount, but most store owners prefer going with the percentage, so we are going to go with the percentage here. Then applies to means that do you want this coupon code to apply to specific collections on your store, or you want it to apply to specific products only on your store. So in my last video, I have explained how collection works and how to create a collection. So if you haven't watched the video, you can go back to the series and go and watch how to create a collection on Shopify. Now For the product, you can also select it as product. For instance, I think for the collection here I have a collection which is food. So that means if I should add this coupon code will only work for the products that are inside this food collection. Any other product that is outside the scope of this food collection, the coupon code is not going to apply to them. Then the same thing for products. You can select some particular product. Maybe you want to offer a coupon code only for just one product on your store. You can also do that as well. Then the minimum purchase requirement. This is where you are going to set the minimum purchase requirement. If you want your customers to purchase a minimum of $100 product, you are going to set it here for the coupon code to work, or the minimum quantity. That means the number of items they need to add to their cart for this coupon code to work. If you add 5, that means if someone should add 4 products to their cart, the coupon code is not going to work for them. Then this is where you are going to set the customer eligibility, the kind of customers that you want this coupon code to work for. So if you set all to all customers, it's going to apply to all customers. You can segment based on customers, or you can select specific customers to offer your coupon or discount code to. Then the maximum discount uses, you can limit the number of times the discount code is going to be used. So for instance, I can make this as 10 discount. So that means that this discount code will only be valid for 10 times. Then you can also limit it to be used per customers. Then this is where you can also set the combinations like product discounts, other discounts, and others. Then you can also come here to for the starting date and the end date for the coupon code to end. So if I want to offer this for throughout from now till December, so I can set it here, and I can set it like this, the time and everything. And once you are done, you click on save discount. So it's showing me an error that okay, so I'm going to select it as all customers, then click on save. Now this is the coupon code. As you can see here, the coupon code is actually working. I can get a shareable link. I can get a shareable link here and copy this link, share it to my customers, and let them purchase with this link, and they automatically get the 20% off discount. Now let's create a new discount code. So I'm going to create a new coupon code now with amount of order. So for the amount of order, it's also the same process, just a slight difference. You can let Shopify generate it for you. I can set as fixed amount here. Probably I want to offer them $100 discount. Then the same requirements, just like the way we explained the other time. Then this is where you set the combination rule, order discount. So but here I haven't actually integrate my payment gateway to this store, so it might be showing me some kind of errors here like that. But this is how you go about creating a coupon code or discount code and setting the conditions on your Shopify e-commerce store. So if this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Have a lovely day.